Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Men, and this is Anshuman Tandon. And today we are going to discuss two topics. The first one is how to get row number in Excel and how to get a column number in Excel. So, this is a very useful topic. It's a very small one, but it's a very useful topic. The reason is that there are so many scenarios when we are creating large formulas in Excel or when we are doing some work in VBA codes. We just want to get a particular address of a cell, and the address can be denoted by row number and column number of a particular cell. So as you can see that in order to go to a particular cell, I have two things related to it. First is the column number to which it belongs, and second is the row number to which it belongs. So let's say if inside a particular formula which I am creating, or let's say if inside a particular VBA code which I am creating, I need a particular row number and column number, and I am confused as to what the row number and column number is. So I can use today's topic to basically find these row and column number. So let's start for it. So first let's talk about row number in Excel. So as you can see that we have all of these row numbers already depicted over here. But let's say if you want this in a particular cell for any formula or anything, what you can do is you can type equal and then you can type row function and then open the bracket. Now it is asking for the reference. So let's say if you give a reference of a particular cell, let's say I give the reference of D2 and press enter. So it is going to give me value 2 because it is giving me the row number of D2 cell. However, if let's say I will delete this reference and simply press enter, you can see it is giving me 9 because if I don't give any reference, Excel will assume that I am asking for the row number of the current cell only, and it will give me 9 over here because I am currently standing into the 9th row. Now let's move towards the column number. So in order to find out a column number of a particular cell, you have to type equal column and you will open the bracket. Now again it is asking for a reference. So let's say if I give a reference of a particular cell, let's say it is H10. So it is giving me 8 because H is the 8th number in alphabet. However, the same, let's say if I will remove this reference and simply press enter, so it is giving me 4 because if I don't give any reference, Excel will again assume that I am talking about only the current cell to which I am standing, and it will give me the column number of the particular column which relates to the particular cell only. So this is 4 because D is the fourth letter. So this is how we can find row number and column number in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Also, if you have any query, you can use our link in the description of the video to ask that particular query, and you can find this working file into the description as well. Thank you very much. Please follow for more videos like this.